Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Man Cave here at Wistful Vistas in beautiful and rainy suburban San Diego, California. Today, it's about the science and the betterment of humanity. We are testing rigorously the DJI Mic Mini with the GoPro 13 camera. Did I impress you? I hope so. But it's perfect. It's a rainy day and it is perfect for some indoor activities, coupled with some stuff I did yesterday as outdoor activity. So stand by. Let's see how it all works together. Shall we? Science. We're going to try the DJI Mic Mini, which I have right here with the earmuff on. Hopefully it stays on my lapel. It seems like the Mic Mini and the GoPro don't like a lot of competition, especially if you're using the Quick app at the same time. Quick connects via Bluetooth. The DJI Mic Mini connects via Bluetooth, and the Philips Tone LQ iPods also connect via Bluetooth. And I don't think the camera slash Bluetooth slash Quick slash iPhone multiple connection point does well for whatever reason. So what I did was I had the earpods stored in my knapsack, and they automatically come on. So what I did was, this young lady decides where she's going. What I did was remove the earpods, and put them in their storage slash charging container, and that essentially turns them off from being actively searching for connections, and that seemed to take care of the problem of the competition between the DJI Mic Mini and the earpods. So hopefully now this is all recording via the connection, and we'll find out. So that's just one thing we're trying to work out before I get out on the motorcycle with this connection. This offers some interest to me because it means that I won't have to have a hardwired connection to the media mod on the GoPro with an extra wire and the complication of an excess speaker. I can install the Mic Mini. Whoa. I can install the Mic Mini in my helmet and connect wirelessly. I can also do it with my Cardo, connect wirelessly. I did experiment with that, and it does record the sound. The issue is, and I'll have to see how it all plays together, but the issue is then you lose, at least in my experience so far, some of the Cardo functionality in terms of receiving telephone calls and that sort of thing. So it's all very complicated, but trust me, it's for science, right? And don't argue with the science. We've been told over and over again. So we'll see how this goes. The other thing here, of course, is to figure out, now on a motorcycle case, I would have the Mic Mini inside my helmet, so it wouldn't be subjected to direct wind noise, but there is a lot of ambient noise. I'll just call it incidental noise in a motorcycle helmet environment. And in this case, We got, in this case, whoa, dude. We've got direct wind impinging on the microphone attached to my lapel. So it's a good test for the whole setup. And trying to do it right is kind of fun, because when you're recording for family and friends on YouTube or whatever it is that you're doing, trying to be fun and engaging, you do want some ambient noise, because you'd like to give people who care to listen and watch the opportunity to enjoy the full environment that you're out in. So it's kind of a balance. One of the things that you get with just recording the sound inside your helmet is less of the engine noise. When you do that, you lose, like I say, if you're a gearhead, you lose some of that ambient motor noise that some people, particularly people if you're onto my channel, you'll enjoy. And in this case, on the bicycle, on the e-bike, if you're out on the trail, you've got the noise associated with the tires crunching over the gravel and that kind of thing, which is also part of the fun, right? So it's a balance. You want to get it all. I suppose that if one really wanted to, you could record with two different mics, which would be kind of nice. And one mic to capture the ambient, i.e. the motor noise, the gravel crunching, etc. Let's get up the hill here. I wonder if this will show up in this view. And you could mix them in your post-editing, given your skills, of which I have few. Mix them in your post-editing to be the optimum of voice audio and environment audio. So that's the quest, and that's what we're trying to work on here. Try to achieve the most. It's one of my hobbies. It's one of the things I'm doing now. So, as is usual with much of this, won't know till I get back, pop it into the computer and fiddle around with the sound a little bit. So we'll see, and I will share this with you, because I know you're just dying to know. There's a car behind me. It's a good test. Again, I'd like this setup with the mic here to be challenged, because it is a good representative test. For whatever reason, the e-bike and all the camera fooling around and stuff doesn't seem to get as many views as my motorcycle rides. But I'm not in it for that. I'm in it for the enjoyment and my own learning and the exercise. Oop, long way. That's me shifting gears there. I'm in it for the, like I say, the enjoyment, my own exercise, and trying to do these various things. So that's all for now. Talk to you later. So it's apparently working. And remember, it's all for science. We're doing this for the betterment of humanity.